Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making focaccia, the Italian bread everybody knows about. It's a delicious recipe, so let's start. First thing we gotta do is make our infused oil. So in the saucepan, heat up some oil and add your thyme and garlic. And set aside to cool. Add some warm water to your yeast. With a spoon of honey. Cover with a cloth and wait until it becomes foamy. When it has become foamy, we're gonna add it into a bowl with our flour. And now add your cooled down infused oil. And at this stage we're gonna add our salt. Because when you add salt directly to the yeast, it will kill it. And we don't want to kill things here, we want to make friends. Now mix the mixture with a dough hook until it becomes sort of a sticky ball. Add some olive oil and cover with some plastic foil. And now let it rise 1 hour. After 1 hour you can see it is doubled in size and we're gonna knock the air out of it. Put the dough on a baking sheet aligned with some parchment paper and shape into a rectangle. Cover with plastic foil and let it rise again for about 15 minutes. Now with our fingers we're gonna make some holes into the dough. Add some salt, olive oil and your remaining thyme. And bake in the oven. When it has come out of the oven, you can eat it right away or let it cool down. It's just as delicious. And that's it. It wasn't that hard, was it? I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I hope you enjoy baking and cooking. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.